Hello everyone. So see this problem, a rectangular sheet of length 30 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter kept on a principal axis midway of and 2f of a concave mirror which having the focal length 30 centimeter. Draw the image formed by the mirror on the same diagram as for the as far as the possible scale. Okay. So see, that is, we know that here it is a concave mirror. Okay, we know that the internal or the inner reflecting surface, that cavity has a reflecting, so which means it is a concave mirror. Now which having the focal length as the 30 centimeter, so which means that f point f, that is about to 30 centimeter. So I have taken the scale, so let me write a scale here, that is 1 centimeter on x axis, on x, so that will be 1 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter on my scale. Okay, so on my that scale, then on y axis, so it is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter itself. Okay, so that was the scale that I have taken here. Now let's find out the other different values for the images. So we know that, so this one is the value, this is the u. Okay, so this is the u here at this point, so that much distance is a u. U means that is the distance of AD face of the rectangular sheet from the pole. Here it is the pole of mirror. Okay, so we know that it is denoted by the letter U. Okay, now what is that? Distance of AD from, let's say, mirror. Okay, so it is U and it is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. Okay, it is midway of the 40 and 50, so it means 45. Now how it is 45? See, that rectangular sheet is placed on the, they have said that the on the principal axis midway of and 2f, so it will be midway of the 2f. So what is the f? 30, then 2f will be 60, so the midpoint of the rectangular sheet, that will be on the 2f. So here you can see the, so I have taken the 1 centimeter is equal to 50 centimeter, so you can get the value here. Okay, 45 centimeter, that is the let's say for that figure. Okay, so we know that the distance of AD from the mirror, it will be u, that is 45, but we know that for concave mirror sign convention and any object which is placed in front of a mirror, so that is always negative. Okay, so it will be negative 45 centimeter. Now what is the distance of image? We need to calculate distance of, let's say, A dash D dash, that is the image from mirror. Okay, so let's say we know that, sorry, we don't know it, so let's question mark it. So we need to calculate it. And what is the focus point, or you can say focal length? It is f and it is 30. Again, that is in front of a mirror, which means for the sign convention, whichever the thing which goes on the left side of the mirror, it is minus. Okay, so that f is also minus. Let me show you here. So whichever the thing goes here, that will be negative, whichever the things goes on the right side, it will be positive. Okay, then for the bottom, suppose for the up it will be positive, for the down it will be negative values. Okay, so you have to take focal length for the concave mirror as a negative f. Got it? So okay, so let's draw, sorry, let's find out the values for the image, distance of image from the mirror. So we have a one mirror formula, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So put all the values. F is minus 30, 1 upon v, that you don't know, then 1 upon u is minus 45. Okay, so let's keep that v as it is, then 1 upon minus 30, or you can say minus 1 upon 30 plus, okay, so it is a minus 1. If it comes on the left side, it will become a plus 1 upon 45. Okay, so say that is minus 30 here. Now 45 into 1, or you can just take the LCM of it. So LCM is 45, no 45, you have to multiply it, 45 into 1, 45 minus 30, then 5 3s are, that will be here. Okay, let's do that simple calculation. 45 into 30, it will be 1350, it will be 1350. okay, and it is -1. Got it? Now 45, because you multiplied that 45 into -30. So 45 minus 30, it will be 15 divided by -1350 to 1. Sorry. So take that v on the left side in the numerator, -1350 divided by 15. Okay, divide it. So you will get the values divided by 15. It will be 90. Okay, so you will get v as -90 centimeter. That is nothing but the distance of image, say, or you can say a dash d dash, okay, for the notification of image. So it will be v is equal to -90 centimeter. Okay, now let's find out the values for this side, BC. Okay, now we know that for the BC, that u will be here, it is u. Suppose let's say that is u1, here u2. Okay, so that is how much it is. It is 75. Okay, 60, 70, 75. That is 75, and here for u1 it is 45. Now let's find out the values again using same formula, that is mirror formula. You have just little bit calculation here. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Okay, now what is the focus or the focal length? That is -30. Then you need to calculate the one v. Then here it is a, sorry, here it is a u2, say, and here for this it will be u1. So for the u2 it will be -75. I am not going to write in details. Okay, just putting the values. So again keep that 1 upon v on the another side, minus, or say 1 upon -30. That minus will becomes plus 1 upon 75. 75 minus 30. Then you have to multiply with that -30 into 75 is equal to 1 upon v. So okay, let's do that calculation. 75 minus 30, it will be 45. Okay, and 75 into 30, it will be 2250, and here it is a minus, so you will get 1 upon v. Now take v as on the left side, so here you will get -2250 divided by 45. Now by dividing it by 45, you will get the 50. So here that is v2, say v2, so that one be v1. Okay, let me denote it as a v1. Then here it is a v2. Okay, now how much is the value? It is 50, -50, minus, which means it is on the left side of the mirror. Okay, we know that the for sign convention, if anything goes on the left side, it is minus. Okay, so if you get the v as minus, it means that image is formed on the left side of the mirror. So say that is nothing but the distance of side, say, which is the side here, BC. Okay, so that is b dash c dash, that is v2 is equal to -50. Okay, so distance of side, another side, that is on the -50 centimeter, or you can say the distance will be 50 centimeter. Next, let's find out the height. Now we have a magnification formula. Now what is m? M is nothing but the minus v upon u is equal to h1 by h2. Now what is that h1? H1 is the height of object and h2 is height of image. Got it? H1 is the height of, sorry, it is not h1 by h2, it is h2 by h1. Okay, h2 by h1. So that h1 is height of object and h2 is height of image. So say that is v, that is u. V means distance of image, u means distance of object. Now we have that v and u. Okay, let's first find out for AB side. Okay, so you have m, that for AB side v is what? V is 90 centimeter. You have to put the value with its sign convention, minus 90 divided by u1. Here it will be u1. Okay, so that u1 is what? Minus 45 is equal to h2. We don't know h2. We have h1. We have value for the height value for the object. So it is they have stated 3 centimeter. Okay, so it is 3 centimeter. So it is 3 centimeter. Why we have taken positive? Because it is on the upper side of the principal axis. Okay, so just find out the value for h2. So here it minus cancel, 45 2 za, so you will get -2. so h2 that will be -2. That minus sign indicates that your image is inverted. Okay, so that minus sign indicates your image is inverted. Here you can see it is principal axis. If it is on the downside of principal axis, it is -1. Okay, so you know that the height of suppose a dash b dash, that is h2, say it will be -2 centimeter. Now let's find out the for c dash a dash d dash. I say a dash, not is a dash b dash, it is a dash d dash. Now c dash b dash. Okay, so for c dash b dash, magnification will be same formula, -v upon u, but you have to take the values for the v and u here. For the c dash b dash, so it is again h2 by h1. Here you have values for image of that c dash b dash, that is v2. Okay, so that is -50 minus -50. Then u is what here, distance, it will be u2 here. So u2 is 75 minus 75 into h2 divided by h1. h1 is what, again 3 centimeter. It is same because we know that the opposite sides of rectangle are same. So here it is 3 centimeter, then here also there is a 3 centimeter. So then just calculate it. h2 minus get cancel. Here you can get the -50 into 3 divided by here 75. So you will get the, so let's say 50 into 3 divided by 75. Again you will get the value 2. Okay, so it is, say 50 into 3, it will be 150 divided by 75. So h2, so I'm going to solve here. h2 is what, 2 here again, that is -2 centimeter. Okay, got it. So okay, so now we have the values. I have just one correction here because we have not taken that 3 here. So you will get the -2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6. You will get the -6 value. So not -2, it will be -6 here. Okay, got it. So just that one correction here. And h2 is -2 centimeter. So see, just we need to draw this figure. Okay, according to the scale on this one. So let's draw. So for the AB side, so for the AB side, say for A dash, sorry, not for the AB, for the A dash D dash. Okay, what is the V? That is -90. So here it is -90. And what is the height of that? Let's say for AB height is -6. Okay, so it is 90 and -6. Okay, let me draw another figure, because if you draw on this figure, okay, it will be get complicated with this data. So let me draw quick, just one. Okay, so here it is our image. So we have what are the values we have for the, sorry, here it is the object, then see what are the values for our image. So for the AD side, you have a distance that is -90. So where is the -90? Here it is 90. Okay, so that is F point, here it is a 2F point, and that is 90. And what is the height for that side? That is height -6. Okay, so just I have taken the one here on this figure. Okay, because I need to draw this quick, so I have taken the 1 centimeter for the height. 1 centimeter is equal to 5. Okay, so for the 6 I need to take the value 3. For this 6 I need to take the value 3. Okay, so here you can get this side, that is A dash and D dash. Now for the AB, sorry, not AB, BC. For BC, the distance will be -50 and its height will be -2. Okay, so just let's draw. For BC it is -50 and its height will be -2. So it is near about, for -2 it is 1. Okay, so like this. So you have to just join those ends, then you will get the, so that point is here B dash and D dash. Okay, so likewise image you can get. Okay. So that distance is here 45, then this one is the 75. Now for this is 50, and that from that point it will be 90. Okay, so let's write the complete answer. So what they have asked, so no, they just have asked to draw the figure. Okay, so this one is the figure. Okay, I hope you can get the answer. Thank you.